Hi, it's Bill Wills. I'm with Rich Klaben in one of the vehicles that you might be looking at. Rich, let's talk about a used vehicle, and give me the twice over as we talk about a Klaben. You check these vehicles out when it comes to, you want to make sure there's quality for someone to look at, right?
Absolutely, Bill. So the used vehicles are a great value. The issue is, and from a buying standpoint, there's no two of them that are the same. So what we do when we get a trade-in, that's going to be your best option. But we don't keep them all. So we go through a thorough inspection. If they don't pass the inspection, we wholesale it. And again, there's no guarantee. Something can still go wrong with it, but at least you get the odds on your side. So we do the selection process for the consumer because we're pros and we make mistakes.
Thank you for looking at Klaben.com. Come in and see the vehicle you're looking at now here at Klaben.